Audrey, your next activity is studying letter D and letter P. So for the first one, we're going to study first letter D. How do you write letter D on the wind? Can I see? First, you make a straight line and then you make a tummy on the right side. Very good. So now we're going to study letter D. So can you make the sound of each letters muna? How do you make the sound of this letter D? The first one. D,
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 A. Read.
Da,
Da. And then G, G,
Ga,
A. So you read together.
Ga, Da, Da,
Da.
Ga, Daga,
Okay, daga. So what's daga?
Mouse,
A mouse. Very good. So the next word, we have D,
Da,
A.
Da, Da,
P, P.
Pa, Pa,
Da.
Da, Pa, Da, Pa,
Okay, dapa. What's dapa?
fall down,
You fell down. And then the next one, we're going to study letter P. How do you make the sound of the P?
Pa,
Pa.
Pa, So, Pa, So, Paso,
Okay, paso. What's paso?
Hot,
When you touch hot things, fire or hot objects. And then the next one is this. How do you make the letter sound? P.
Pa, Pa,
So what's paa?
Feet,
Feet. Very good. So you already know how to identify and read. So now we're going to trace naman these particular letters. It's the capital letter P and the small letter P or the mommy P and the baby P. The capital letter D and the small letter D. So you have to trace first those broken line and then on the next one, you're gonna do it yourself. You're gonna make a capital P and the baby P. Can you do it?
Hot,
You may do it now. Trace the big letter or the mommy P and then the small P. Then the next one. Okay, and then the baby P. Very. The next one is the mommy P. The small P, you copy this one. The vertical line, the vertical line, look at here. Look at here, Audrey. And then the small P. And then, very good. And then, the next one, mommy P. And then, small P. Red to red yung small P. And then, okay, very good. On the next line, you make a mommy P here. No. This one, on the mommy P muna, you make another mommy P. Or the capital letter P. And then, okay, the next one, you may start tracing the P again. Make another P. Paano? Mommy P ulit. Okay, very good. And then small P. Okay. And then last one, mommy P. And then the small. Okay, so letter D. What letter are those again? The letter P and letter D. Very good. So, you like your activity?